Hey guys, Haz here at Shield Canine, and I am happy to announce the grand opening of our new location, Shield Canine Toronto. We are at 110 DuPont Street, right at the intersection of Bartlett Avenue and DuPont. And over the years, we've had probably 1,000 clients and dogs that came to us from Toronto. And I'm going to take you on a tour of our new facility. Now, one thing here, we've got plenty of parking. And if you know anything about Toronto, you know how important it is to get that parking. I'm going to show you everything from the front door all the way into the training area. You can walk right in here if we're open. Hours are on the website. Give us a call though before you come down, or give us an email. That number right there. Sal is the head trainer here, and he is going to be running all our Toronto operations. That's the facility there. We'll go there in a second. What do we have here? We have a nice little bathroom. I know the ladies often appreciate us having one of those. And this is Shield Toronto. We are ready to go. We have already started to see some of our legacy clients here. Really excited, like I said, guys, that I have this location now. As you guys can see, fully fenced, rubber mats, climate controlled, well lit. It is not easy to find a good spot in the heart of Toronto. We got all the gear that we have at Shield HQ. We're gonna have all the raw food that we have at Shield HQ as well. So we have all the stuff that we need here to start training right now. And like I said, we have actually already started. You can call us to schedule your free assessment here. You can call us to just meet Sal. There's no obligation or anything. You can just meet him and bring your dog. I want to talk a little bit about Sal. So Sal, he is the first person that came and learned from me. He was my first apprentice, and then my first employee, and then my first trainer. You know, he was the head trainer at Shield for a long time. Sal's got an innate talent, a talent that you're not going to see a lot of, no matter how long somebody is in this space. Everybody's got predispositions and talents, and Sal's talent, look, he's really good at all the dog training, but he's really, really good with those behavior cases. He understands those dogs. He understands why they're doing what they're doing. He knows what they're going to do before they do them. He's really good with the obedience. He's really good with the puppies. Man, I don't think there's really anybody better in Canada. Okay, I hope he doesn't watch this video because it's going to get his head big, but he's really, really good with those cases. There is no one better than Sal when it comes to behavior modification. We're going to be having puppy classes here, private sessions, level 1, off-leash obedience, e-collar training. We do it all. This is our third facility now. You can take TTC here, Uber, parking. We've got it all. Enough said about that. Anyways, this is the Toronto location, guys. I hope you guys like it. I really like it. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I hope to see you guys either at one of our seminars or at one of our locations. It's been a really good time, and we've had a really blessed life so far.